7 passive income ideas that actually work in 2025. It was 2:17 a.m. when Jamie stared at her ceiling, exhausted and overwhelmed. 2 jobs, a mountain of bills, barely $42 in her savings account. She had done everything right. Yet nothing seemed to change. But that night, scrolling through Reddit instead of sleeping, she stumbled across something that flipped a switch. Passive income. Not another scam, not a lottery ticket. Real strategies. Real stories. Real people making money while they slept. She followed a few links, read a few blog posts, and fell into a rabbit hole that changed everything. And over the next 12 months, Jamie didn't just survive. She built a financial system that worked for her. Today, we're walking through the 7 exact strategies Jamie, and thousands of others, used in 2025 to create streams of income that work 24/7, even when they don't. Stick around till the end, because the last idea is how Jamie combined 2 of these methods to quit her 9-to-5 within a year. Welcome to Vault Visionary, where money meets smart strategy. If you're tired of trading your precious time for tiny paychecks, this is your wake-up call. Passive income isn't a fantasy, it's a formula, one you can follow. Let's dive into Jamie's story and discover 7 powerful passive income ideas you can start right now, even if you're broke, busy, or a complete beginner. Section 1. Print on demand. The doodle that paid rent. Jamie always doodled in her notebook. Silly cats wearing sunglasses, sarcastic quotes like, "I work to pay rent," even retro-style pixel sushi. It was just a way to unwind. Until one day she uploaded a few of those designs to Redbubble. No expectations, just curiosity. Weeks later, she got an email. "You've made a sale." Then another, and another. Fast forward a few months, her t-shirts, mugs, and stickers were bringing in over $200 per month. No inventory, no packaging, no customer service. Your move. Use free tools like Canva or Kiddle to design. Platforms like Redbubble, Printful, and Teespring handle everything else. Printing, shipping, customer care. All you do is create and upload. With trending niches like mental health awareness, pets in costumes, and edgy sarcasm still dominating platforms like TikTok and Etsy, your art doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to connect. And in 2025, authenticity sells. Raw sketches, honest humor, bold messages. You don't need a design degree, just a bit of personality and a willingness to try. Section 2. Digital products. One file, endless sales. Jamie's second win? Solving her own problem. Frustrated with her money habits, she designed a simple digital budgeting planner in Canva. She listed it on Etsy for $5, and to her surprise, people bought it. That same file sold 120 times in 3 months. No shipping, no returns, no physical work. Now she has a full digital storefront featuring planners, goal trackers, monthly meal guides, even a freelancer tax checklist. Pro tip, use AI tools like ChatGPT to generate outlines or content for ebooks, templates, or checklists. You don't need to be a designer, just solve a problem. People pay for simplicity, structure, and peace of mind. You could sell a weekly meal prep guide for busy parents, a declutter your life digital challenge, social media templates for small businesses. Best part, you make the file once and it sells forever. That's digital magic. Section 3. Dividend Stocks. The paycheck that just showed up. Her brother asked a game-changing question. Why park your money in a savings account when you can get paid just for holding stocks? Jamie started small, $300 into a dividend ETF using an app called Sharesies. 3 months later, she got a notification. Dividend received $6.45. It wasn't a lot, but it was the feeling. She made money doing nothing. Now she reinvests every cent. Her dividends grow monthly, and she's on track to make $300 plus per year without lifting a finger. Start small, stick to ETFs or blue-chip dividend stocks. Apps like Stake, Robinhood, or Public make investing beginner-friendly. Don't get distracted by flashy crypto or high-risk trends. The slow drip of dividends builds real wealth and builds your confidence too. In Jamie's words, it's not fast, but it's freedom. Section 4. Affiliate Marketing. The link that paid for lunch. Jamie downloaded a budgeting app that finally worked for her. So she made a short TikTok reviewing it. At the end, she dropped a referral link in the comments, just to see what would happen. Days later, buzz buzz. You earned $36? Since then, she shares affiliate links for books she reads, tools she loves, and even courses she's taken. Some months, her affiliate income covers gas, groceries, or weekend treats, with content she'd be sharing anyway. Affiliate tip: you don't need a huge following. Micro-influencers with high trust can outperform big accounts. Focus on value, not virality. Platforms like Amazon Associates, Notion, Skillshare, and Canva offer simple affiliate programs. Just pick what you love and recommend it honestly. Section 5. YouTube automation. Money without showing her face. Jamie wanted to make videos, but hated being on camera. So she went faceless. Using ChatGPT to write scripts, Pictory for visuals, and 11 Labs for realistic voiceovers, she launched a whiteboard-style finance channel. Her first videos were rough, but within weeks, one took off. Now, her channel earns from 3 sources: YouTube ad revenue, affiliate links in the description, product promotions from brands. And she's never shown her face. This is YouTube automation. It's real. You don't need a studio, camera, or editing skills. You just need a niche, like productivity, budgeting, or book summaries, and consistency. Start messy, stay consistent. One video can change your life. Section 6. Rent digital assets. The website that earned while she slept. Jamie built a simple website using Card, just one page titled Budgeting Tips for New Moms. She wrote 5 actionable tips and offered a free printable guide in exchange for an email. Within weeks, she had 300 subscribers. Then came the twist. Local businesses reached out asking to advertise in her email newsletter. Now she earns through email sponsorships, affiliate links, selling her digital planners directly. Bonus tip: use platforms like Flippa to flip small digital assets, websites, newsletters, or even Instagram pages. What you build today could be worth thousands tomorrow. Section 7. High-yield savings and cashback. Free money in plain sight. Not all passive income is fancy. Jamie switched her savings account to one offering 5% interest. Result: $78 earned last year, doing literally nothing. She stacked it with cashback credit cards, browser extensions like Honey, apps like Shopback and Rakuten. Her groceries, bills, and online purchases now earn a small percentage back. Over 12 months, that added up to $400 plus in bonus cash. This is the easiest passive income on the list. No risk, no skill, just small tweaks to how you already spend. In a world that's always taking, cashback is one of the few things that gives back. In 1 year, Jamie went from paycheck stress to building a money machine. Her print-on-demand side hustle covers groceries. Her Etsy store pays her phone bill. Her YouTube automation earns while she sleeps. Her Dividend Stocks quietly grow. Her affiliate links buzz with surprise income. And her savings account pays her monthly. This didn't happen overnight, but it all started with one step and snowballed from there. She stacked small wins. She reinvested smartly. And most importantly, she didn't quit when things moved slow. So, what's your first step? Drop passive 2025 in the comments if you're done grinding and ready to start building. Because no one's coming to save you, but your future self is counting on you. And don't stop here. The next video walks you through how to invest your first $1,000 in 2025 for maximum growth. Let's build wealth the smart way.